take out your front axle bolt. Bam. Part's done. Take this out, remove your brake. Tire is off. Next thing you're going to want to do, take your valve stem core out and undo your bolt. Get it off the bead. Usually just do that by stepping on it. Just like so. Alright, next get yourself some dish liquid. It doesn't have to be Apple Orchard Harvest. You just get whatever scent you like. This will just help get make the tire tube come out easier. And stick the old trusty. Take little bites till you can get one side up over. Alright, get the one side up over, like so. Reach up and in there. And pull her out. Oh yeah. So I ripped right around the valve stem. Damn it. Worst spot because I can't patch them. I think you should really patch these anyway. But, there. And she's out. Have your correct size tube. I had ordered 2 last time, so that helps. Get this opened up. Take off this and your 2 nuts. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is pull the tire out, and you have your band here. Make sure none of the spoke nipples are sticking through. And I know that's not what popped mine because the stem was tore. It seems like I always tear the fucking stems. I always tear the stems. So once you've made sure that you don't have any thing poking through, put a little bit of air in your tube, not much, but just enough. Makes it's easier so you don't, when you're putting your tire back on the bead, you don't pinch it as easy. So you're going to start with your valve stem. Alright, once you're done struggling getting the valve stem through, to get your valve stem through, slowly work the tire tube into slowly work the tire tube into the tire, into the rim. Alright, so once you got the tube in, go ahead and lube her up a little bit more. This helps with, if you put some on this, like so, it helps keep the tube from being pinched, because you can't ramrod it like you did getting out. You pinch that tube, be prepared to start that fun all over again. Now I can remember how much of a bitch this is. Take little bites. Try not to go in too deep because you do not want to puncture that tube. And this has been going pretty good. And it gets tight once you get up here, though. Slope makes it. Once you get towards the end here, stand on it. There you go. Alright, now tighten this down. Put your other one on. Tighten them down together. And put some air in it and hope she holds. And put it back on the bike. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.